Outset, I would like to say that as the armed forces and the Indian Army in particular, we do not discriminate on any grounds whatsoever, whether it be language, religion, or gender. We have always had a very inclusive policy in this regard. And as far as the question of admitting women or the girl cadets, lady cadets into the NDA is concerned, we've never had any reservations on that. In fact, the various arrangements which are required, the creation of additional squadrons, the creation of additional infrastructure was already in progress. And we were very much on the way to admitting women into the NDA. And I don't think there is any such kind of a culture shock or anything. We are quite used to having women in our midst. We have had women officers in the army for more than 2 decades now. So it is not that we are not capable of dealing with anything like that. And in fact, when I had gone to Bangladesh and visited the Bangladesh Defense Academy, which is the equivalent of our NDA, there they have been having girl cadets for many years already. I really don't know why we lagged. See, at the moment we have opened the Commission of Women in only 10 branches of the Indian Army. All the supporting arms as well as the supporting services, less infantry, armored and mechanized infantry. I think for the foreseeable future that would remain the same, and I will not make any false promises either. But as I said, we will have to see how it goes along. None of our neighboring countries either have opened up their combat arms to women officers, but that could change in the future. 2 of our women officers are now training to be pilots in the Army aviation. And definitely, Army aviation is not going to be in the rear areas. Army aviation and those helicopters will be very much flying over the combat zone. So I think that is one step in that direction. But we have to move slowly, and change will happen, but at its own pace.